Canva has a new feature, curved text. Let's try it out. To start with, we're going to put on a shape that we want to match the text to. So I'm starting off with a circle and we add the text. Format the text to be the font style that you want and the color that you want and the size that you want. Okay, and now we're going to do the curved effect, and it's quite easy to do. Make sure you've highlighted your text, press the effects button. Over on the left, you've got different types of effects that you could be using. We've had these for a little while, but the newest one is the curve. You choose the curve option, and then you can stretch it to fit into your shape. Now this has matched into a circle shape, but let's say that I want to do an oval instead. So we'll place an oval shape onto our page, and this might be part of your logo, the shape of your logo perhaps. Add the text. Change the font and the color, and of course size it. I'm going to use my effects. So once again, I've highlighted my text. I press effects. I press the curve. So you'll see here that it doesn't match in quite as well because it's gone to the circular shape instead of the curve shape. To change it, go down to the slider bar underneath curve, and you'll see here that you can increase the curve. So by making it a bigger circle that this curve sits on to fit your shape. It's not quite the shape that I want, so I'm going to make it a little bit more curved, and I need to shrink it a bit to make it fit my curve a bit better. I just wanted to point out that you can change the shape. Instead of being at the top of the circle, you can change the shape to be at the bottom of the circle by going into the negative figures on the slider bar. And that's it. Curved text. Of course, you don't just have to apply it to simple elements like circles and ovals. You can make use of it in more complex elements or even on photos and match it into the shape. So you can see here that I've actually put the words in their 3 different ones, and the circle and curves that I've done for them match to the waves curves. So have a bit of fun with curved text. And just remember, when you are doing a logo, you can download as a transparent background, which means that you can put it on top of other images. You can only do that, however, if you have the Pro package. And I have details on how to get the Pro package in the description. Make sure you follow me on Facebook or Instagram so you find out about my upcoming webinars. Thanks for watching the video. Please like or share it and subscribe to make sure you get future tips.